Are you looking for a raised access floor that allows for the flexible arrangement of power and data outlets throughout the workspace? SMARTflor, brought to you by the original SMARTdesks, is the best solution. Unlike core drilling, you can place outlets anywhere and move them to new locations at any time. SMARTflor sections are placed directly over existing flooring. Typical classrooms install in a day. Carpet tiles for the entire space are shipped out ready to be put in place. No panel assembly or laser leveling required. And no waiting on costly electricians to install outlets. All cables and UL approved outlets and wiring are snapped together by SMARTdesks authorized installers. Each tile is constructed of electrical code grade polycarbonate and hold 50,000 pounds. That's 25 tons. The ADA compliant ramps and rails are also custom made for any space. Our team overlays the furniture floor plan with the SMARTflor raised access floor plan, assuring perfect outlet placement. Call or go online today for a budget estimate. You'll get a beautifully carpeted, raised access floor and the most flexible power data solution all in one. Experience SMARTflor by visiting SMARTdesks.com today.